Don't have to front, it's true, yeah. You're one-on-one. I wanna go one-on-one with you. One-on-one with you. And I want you to want me too.
And Drake just come here.
Don't. I have bad memories about that right now, so don't even bother with that, right? She's been dancing professionally for years. Corinne Walton is sharing her passion for dance, which is also her business, with others. Dance Fire is her business, and she's going to share it with us this morning. Good morning, Corinne.
Good morning.
Hi, morning.
Hi.
All right, so you're one of those people who the passion is actually making you money.
Yeah.
So you're good at the dancing part.
I am.
So Steve was right. You went and looked at what you were good at, and then you
Made it
worked on
happen.
and made it money. All right. So tell us what inspired you to get into dancing as a profession.
Well, dance was the only consistent thing in my life, really. So when I was in high school trying to choose my subjects for university, I switched from media to law to medicine.
You switched from media.
I know, right?
I did, but you know, the passion just died a little bit. I
was
never really
painful.
feeling it. But the only thing that really was consistent was dance. So I went to Edna Manny College,
Fantastic.
pursued my Bachelor of Finance in Performance and Choreography, and I've been dancing ever since. I started at 3 years old,
Great.
never stopped.
Good job.
Now, tell me what are some of the first steps that you kind of took to get things started for Dance File?
Well, really, so I was kind of inspired by people because I would teach at different classes throughout Jamaica, different companies, different gyms, different studios, and they'd always ask me, so where's your class? Where can I go to go see you? And I'm like,
Not yet.
come here next week. And kind of a thing. So I was like, okay, I need to get this going because, you know, it's something I really love doing and it is my passion. And so I just said, okay, let me find a studio, start some classes.
When did you actually get it started?
We officially launched Dance Fire in 2016 in November, but we started the business itself in January with different classes, and then we branched out on our own in November.
Okay,
So
were
it's
you
me and my
ever,
friend Shaquille Lang.
were you ever afraid or saying, boy, I don't know if this would work?
Yeah.
I don't know if people are going to come, even though they said they're going to come, they're probably not going to support me, you know, I'm not probably going to have that constant flow of people.
Cash?
Yeah, so
Yeah, talk about people, not talk about money.
No, but it's people and come and pay.
it's exactly the people that not come. But so consistency is a thing, but then I think when you listen to your clients and you say, okay, what did they like this week? What was good for you? You listen to them and you know what they like and what they want, so you give them more of that. And you just keep innovating and don't keep the same thing, because I find that people get bored sometimes.
Okay.
And say, okay, I can't bother to do this again. I'm going to come and Willie Bump again. I'm going to come and do this. And I really can't bother with that. They want something new and diverse, which is why we offer so many different genres at Dance Fire, including yoga, so the dancehall, soca, Afrobeats, everything
So
you
you've
can think
made
of,
it
even
into
salsa.
kind of a health and fitness
Yeah.
while you dance kind
Yeah.
of studio. So it's not just coming to learn how to dance, it's coming to experience and
Yeah.
also to
So,
get a workout.
Yeah, dancehall fitness, everything fitness in. So we cater for everybody. So if you want to get a workout in,
Okay.
you can come. If you want to learn the latest steps to go mash up a party
Yeah.
on the weekend,
We are
have
Chopapa.
that.
I think I
Hey.
need to,
Yeah, you can dance?
no.
Yeah.
So we need to.
Why every time they bring somebody they can't
You
dance?
know, it's
They
okay.
can't dance,
I
and
think the
instead
last-
of
I
them
think the
bring
last-
somebody who can
The
dance.
last
them.
dance I catch properly was probably Willie Bones.
No, girl.
No man, that, no
a
man,
long
that
time
bad
girl.
man. A long
Come
time.
on, man. Come on.
Zara, and I
You
can
can do a
dip.
little
Hey,
step.
I
You
can
can
do
dip.
one
You
dip.
can look a step.
You can't, yeah.
Look a
So the
step. So
flary.
I add in
So
the
you have
hand.
flary?
Yeah.
That's it.
See, 2 seconds and she teach you flary.
Hey.
Okay, well, guess what? You know that, last question before we get you to dance a little bit for us, because you know you can't leave here without moving a little bit, right?
I know.
What do you love about owning your own business?
It's gonna seem corny,
No, man, talk truth.
but
God love.
true.
True.
When my students smile and are happy in the class.
No, but we have to ask though, because that's a good side to it, right? But tell me about the challenges sometimes, because you know, say sometimes it's rough. So what are some of the challenges that you face?
Yeah, consistency sometimes. Like, people come and say, yeah, man, I'm coming today, but then rainfall, and this happen, and things happen, and then you don't
And
get the
dengue.
turnout that you want to see. But when the people who come are happy, I'm still happy.
Okay.
So you have to look at the positive all the time.
All right, so them have a little test for you, right? Then we're gonna play some music and put up some dances, and them gonna see if he's really as bad like yours, like I said.
Okay.
All right, Carrie. Are we ready, Shana? You having fun? All right, shoot. First one. Hey. First of all, I don't know what am I doing. Hey, there it is.
There it is.
Hey,
Hey!
hey, go
Hey!
hey. All right, she up that
All
one.
right, no, she got that
Watch
one.
out. No, you're too high. You're too high. Calm down. What's the next one? Oh, them say must give them a moment because they let them too quick. Hey. So she done?
All I have to do is show her and she have it. I feel like she's gonna show up everybody in the video though. Watch it.
Hey.
She's gonna show up everybody in the video. Everybody.
You can do that.
Yeah, man, you can do that one with me, man. Yeah.
Wait, no. I was trying to catch your foot a while ago, but it wasn't happening.
Come with me.
You have that one this time. So what is it with this African thing when I'm cute?
Yeah, man, can you
We're
put that thing?
braffing. Okay, it's called we're braffing. We're braffing.
Oh, braffing.
Yes, we're
That's the name of the
braffing.
dance?
I think so. We're braffing.
Well,
It's similar. It's similar to braffing.
Yeah, because also the dancehall dances really come from Africa.
Yep, most definitely.
Oh,
There's just one more, I think. All right, they are going Bollywood.
All right.
No, I can't hold you.
I have a little thing sometime, because I done a little Bollywood in my life, so I can probably try a thing.
Wonderful. She is well rounded. Oh,
I'm going to follow the lady.
no, you can't follow the lady. You have to follow the man.
I think the only thing I can catch from it is your head movement.
With the anchor. Oh gosh, you have anything here. Just work with it. Owner of Dance Fire, Kareen Walter. Big up yourself, girl. You got it.
She's gonna dance for us.
She's gonna dance for us?
Yes.
Sorry.
Give her some weight.
Make a